Pleasant and warm welcome to everyone present here. Hello, I'm Sheetal.
And I'm Richa, and it gives me immense pleasure to extend to you a very warm welcome on behalf of Sanskriti, the elementary school, to the Kids Rendezvous 2025. How different is this morning, Sheetal ma'am?
Yes, indeed, very wonderful. The vibes around here tell a beautiful tale, which is truly unforgettable.
We are honored to be your host today on this auspicious occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this spectacular celebration of culture and heritage. So get ready to be mesmerized by the vibrant colors, enchanting melodies, and captivating performances that await us. Together, let's embrace the magic of cultural extravaganza and celebrate the timeless spirit of humanity.
Since we are celebrating the festivals of India, how can we forget the role of women? Women play a central role in festival celebration, often acting as the primary keepers of traditions actively participating in rituals, preparing food, decorating home, and performing religious ceremonies. Furthermore, today is the day of great significance, the celebration of appreciation, respect, love, and care towards women in our lives and in society.
Today, on 8th of March every year, we celebrate International Women's Day. So let's recognize the significance of women and inspire them for greater future achievements. So to all the lovely ladies present here, cheers to you all and to us too, Sheetal ma'am, who fill the world with the beauty, compassion and strength. Keep breaking the barriers, challenging norms and creating a world that's just a little better than it was before.
Happy Women's Day! India is a big country with different religions, cultures and languages. It is a land of different fairs and festivals. In India, we celebrate many types of festivals like national, regional, local, religious and seasonal festivals. Each month comes with many festivals and adds special colors, joy, brotherhood, humanity and happiness in our lives. And each festival in India has different colors and unique rituals. During the harvest, the rain, the full moon, the birthdays of divine beings, we grab all these moments and indulge in celebration and spread the message of our vivid and rich cultural inheritance.
Indian festivals are celebrated across the world because Indians have their presence everywhere in the world. However, Navratri has its maximum presence in West Bengal, Holi is celebrated with utmost intensity in North India, regional festivals like Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Onam in Kerala, Kart festival in Orissa and Ganesh Puja in Maharashtra.
ये त्योहार के रंग ही तो है जो हमारे रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में थोड़ी खुशियाँ एंड एक्साइटमेंट भरते हैं। आजकल की बिजी लाइफ में कहाँ हमें अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली से कनेक्ट करने को मिलता है। ये त्योहार ही तो है जिनके बहाने हम सबसे मिलते और कनेक्ट करते हैं।
इसी बात पे एक कविता सुनाती हूँ मैं आपको। दुखों के थपेड़े खाते खाते हो जाता है जब जीवन बेरंग, खुशियों भरा एक त्योहार आके भर देता है फिर से इस जीवन में रंग। शोक अवसाद रोग पीड़ा सताते हैं जब, भूल कर इनको त्योहार सिखाता है जीने का ढंग। मनाने को त्योहार हम हो जाते हैं मलंग, बेरौनक सी जिंदगी में आने के त्योहार से सच सवर कर मुस्कुराने लगता है अंग अंग। जमीन पर पड़े कागज की टुकड़ी सी जिंदगी को बना देता है एक त्योहार जैसे उड़ती हुई पतंग।
मजे की बात तो ये है कि हमारी लाइफ का हर दिन त्योहार की तरह और हमें हर दिन इतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट और खुशियों के साथ सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए। बट हम इतने बिजी हैं अपनी रेगुलर लाइफ में कि हमें स्पेशल दिनों का वेट होता है टू बी हैप्पी।
So let's have a moment together and celebrate all the festivals today and be super happy. And let us make a promise to ourselves that we will not wait for festivals to celebrate our life. Live every day as if it's a festival. Turn your life into a celebration.
Wow, how amazing that would be. On this beautiful note, let's begin this celebration.
Let's have the Jashan. It is our pleasure that we extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Ms. Mary, the principal of GEMS International School, our chairman, Sir, Mr. David Kuller, and all the lovely parents and grandparents present here. We welcome you all on this auspicious occasion. Let us come together and create lasting memories on this beautiful journey.
We will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as an attribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Ma Saraswati, we pray for your blessings. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
I would like to call upon our chief guests on the stage for the lamp lighting.
मैंने तो इसलिए बनाया ऊंचे ऊंचे फैन है फैन के लिए कोई
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
As we move further, let us invoke the divine presence of Ma Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge and wisdom. I would like to call upon stage Neelam and Reena ma'am for Saraswati Vandana. Thank you, Neelam and Reena ma'am, for a beautiful performance. Parents, please give a huge round of applause for them. May Ma Saraswati always guides us.
Now, we would like to call Dimple ma'am, our academic head, on the stage.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I once again warmly welcome you all to our Kids Rendezvous 2024-25. As we successfully approach towards the end of our academic session, I proudly present before you consistent upward graph of our school's achievement and would like to thank our parents, teachers, help staff, our management for being a part of this most amazing journey. At Sanskriti, we firmly believe in the quote by the great Aristotle. For the things we have to learn before we can do them, we learn by doing them. As Benjamin Franklin once said, tell and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn. And we do just that in involving the children in the most unique and creative way possible. As every year, this year too was planned keeping in mind the holistic grooming of our children. 2024-25 has been a year of blossoming, flourishing and evolvement of our school. It brought many challenges, opportunities for learning and growth, thoughtful decisions, and finally we achieved what we wanted. With pride, I take a moment now to reflect back and celebrate the year 2024-25. Our year at Sanskriti began with the induction of tiny tots into school. This is generally their first experience at stepping out of their secure confines of their homes. This settling period is filled with anxiety both for the little ones and for the parents. Here we take out time for each child and let them know why we like them, because words of recognition and appreciation for a child are like sunshine and rain to a flower. To appreciate and recognize the efforts of our beautiful and multitasking mothers, we celebrated Mother's Day in school. Summer camp was the time when children learned about themselves by pushing their boundaries and trying new things. The summer camp at Sanskriti was fun-filled and made the summer a memorable one for the children. Our ex-students also joined us during the summer camp program. We welcomed our children back in July after a rejuvenating break. We welcomed the best storytellers, the silent architects of our fondest memories, our grandparents, to school and acknowledged and appreciated them for their immense contribution in our child's growth and development. We at Sanskriti believe that national festivals are the occasions when we can emphasize upon the building up of a feeling of pride and obligation for our country. And so we celebrated Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti with great fervor and pride. Celebrating different festivals promotes diversity, it brings individuals together, promotes creativity and are a lot of fun for children. At Sanskriti, the little ones enjoyed a wide range of celebrations from Baisakhi to Dashera, in which we burned Ravan's effigy and teacher performed Ram Leela for our children. We had a successful Diwali Fete event wherein we welcomed the friends and families of our children and alumni students. Best part was Christmas, in which kids went for a carriage ride with their favorite Santa. To widen the horizons of our children and to encourage them to be independent, we at Sanskriti took them out for excursions to Railway Museum, supermarket, Gurdwara and for movie time. As part of our Joy of Giving activity, we took them to the school of underprivileged children, wherein they gave gifts to the children and brought smile on their faces. To instill stage confidence and encourage public speaking in our kids, we conducted special assembly and a tiny talk fest, wherein the children spoke on different topics which gave them the much needed boost of confidence. Sports, games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Kids were introduced to the fundamentals of sports like Taekwondo in the first half of the session, and later we introduced the experienced coaches from Sports Guru India Fitness to train our children in various sports, teaching them valuable skills like teamwork, discipline and sportsmanship. Taking this forward, we also conducted Sports Day at GEMS International School, and it was a great success. And we are equally grateful to have ma'am with us today. The learning pedagogy at Sanskriti is based on the 4 pillars: skill sheet, blooming birds, themes and projects. And now we are adding 2 more valuable pillars of running in the coming year, which are STEM learning and Lego. To ensure health and well-being of our kids, we conducted a dental and health checkup camp in school. We have and will continue to provide a safe and supportive environment as well as teaching and learning programs that meets the need of all our students. And today we are here to celebrate another milestone in our children's development, their first and for some children their second stage performance to such a huge and wonderful audience. Now, let me introduce you to a person who has a compelling vision, rock-solid strategy, excellent communication skills, innovative insight, and is a complete pillar of strength to his team. He has done his engineering from IIT and MBA from FMS Delhi. I request our esteemed chairperson, Mr. Deven Kollar, to please come up on stage and share his thoughts with us. We welcome you, sir. A huge round of applause for our chairman, sir, Mr. Deven Kollar.
Good morning to parents, grandparents. Thank you for coming in and happy International Women's Day. Please give a huge round of applause to all the women, wives, mothers, friends. They've been pillar of our strength, and here we are today because of all the women who are our teachers as well and who have done incredible work for our children. I do not prepare my speeches. I'm not too good at writing. I cannot do the poetries as well as they do. But all I know is that we are doing a show which is all about festivities of the country. But believe you me, the biggest festival for me is childhood. Let's celebrate this childhood for our children. Don't ever compare your children with anybody. We have had these problems कि उसका बेटा तो medicine की तैयारी कर रहा है और तू क्यों नहीं कर रहा? I've heard this in my life umpteen number of times. There was a time when parenting was very harsh. My parents did a difficult parenting to me. We were given tasks to even get a little freebie out of it. Today the children are really given too much when they desire and want. The parents are little more considerate today. My only request to you as parents would be to let them be what they want to do. Give them free hand, back their instincts, trust their notions, they will find the way. Let's not get them into a stereotype notion. I never thought I would ever become an engineer. And after becoming an engineer, do my marketing and then do a preschool. Like, that's a little weird if one may come to think of it. But One thing which my parents instilled in me at very young age was they said, जो भी तू करेगा हमें faith है कि तू अच्छा करेगा. Please have that faith in your children. That's all what we want. I was enamored to hear, I was very pleased to hear when Mary Ma'am, Principal, Gem School told me something when we were sitting that children who come from Sanskriti to us, there are a lot of children who go to her school from Palam Vihar and surrounding areas, and she said those who come from your school, they have very little gap between our teachings and what they learn. So that was the biggest compliment. Our learning pedagogy is little out of the box. We do not want to teach them just the ABCs and colors and digits and numbers. Learning is far beyond. And if learning wasn't far beyond, we wouldn't have had people like Stephen Hawking. I'll tell you this small story, I'll take a couple of minutes today. So he was somebody who was born with an ALS. It's a challenge, it's a disease which makes your muscles weak, you have no control over yourself, your saliva drips out. People gave him no chance. But it was the same Stephen Hawking who gave us theories like quantum gravity. One of the most celebrated physicists of all time was Stephen Hawking. Imagine a person जिसको अपनी टांग उठाने के लिए भी मसल में पावर नहीं है और वो हमारे को ग्रेविटी सिखा रहा है. So you never know what kind of challenges we can overcome when we give our children that strength, that confidence, that feeler that yes, we're going to back you, we are there for you, and we trust what you're going to be doing is always going to be right, despite all the challenges that we face. I hope इतना मैं आपसे सिर्फ चाहूँगा कि अपने बच्चे की टैलेंट को, क्रेडिबिलिटी को कभी डाउट मत करो. प्लीज डू नॉट compare apples to apples. Don't think that if that child is doing this, that's better than what you're doing. Do not do that. That's the biggest scar on any child's life. I hope I make myself clear, and I would sum up my note on a little gesture by a poet who said, उड़ने दो बचपन को इन शोक हवाओं में कि ना जाने बचपन के दिन लौट के कब वापस आएंगे. Thank you parents, thank you for reposing your faith in us. Thank you for trusting your child with us. We have had parents who have had children coming to us, and then their siblings, and then their friends' children coming to us. It's because of your love and faith, and we thank you for that. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Miss Mary, who is the principal of GEMS International School, a seasoned educational leader with over 15 years of experience spanning teaching and educational leadership profiles. She excels at curriculum design and effective implementation, people development, school administration, and enhancing student achievement are some of her core areas of expertise. She is a firm believer in student-led education and has been known to foster strong parent and community relationships.
May we have you on the stage, please, ma'am.
An exuberant morning to all the excited parents sitting here, to the Honorable Chairman, Mr. Deven Kullar, the teachers, the talented teachers of Sanskriti School, the bubbly children who are waiting to perform and show you their best version. At the outset, a very happy Women's Day to all the women in the house. It goes without saying that we can't do it, the world can't do it without us, but at the same time, we want to tell all the men in our lives, whether it's our fathers, our husbands, brothers, friends, we cannot do it without you. You are equally important. You are the wind within our wings. Thank you for being there for us. Well, let me introduce myself. Of course, much has already been said. I'm the principal of GEMS International School, Gurgaon. You might have heard of GEMS, like it's the world's largest chain of private schools. Based out of Dubai, we have about 59 schools there, 190 schools all over the world, in 70 countries, and 170,000 students all across. And we've been in the education industry for the last 65 years. And recently we were in the news, most of you might have already heard that we've gone to a joint venture with Adani. So we've started our first school, Adani GEMS School of Excellence in Lucknow, and in the next 3 years, 20 schools are in the pipeline. So it's an ambitious plan. So I hope with the strong management and the able team at the back, we will definitely concretize it. Well, parents, I must tell you, Sanskriti is doing a wonderful job. The kind of grounding, the kind of foundation that they provide. There are many students from Sanskriti in our school. And the transition is very smooth. When we see children from Sanskriti school and we compare them to other schools, I shared it with Chairman Sir just some time back, the learning gap is very minimum. And that is because the curriculum that they have developed for their foundational stage children is very, very relevant, very contemporary, very, very much in alignment with the need of the times. And as such, children from Sanskriti find it very easy to, gel, move in and be one with our curriculum. And kudos to the teachers for doing that wonderful job here. I was very encouraged to hear that you're planning to do robotics and Lego. I mean, like, we start all of this in class 2. And here you're already planning to do it in the preschool. In fact, this is the age when we must do, because parents, the curriculum in GEMS is very research driven. We keep reading, and one of the findings we read is about brain architecture. At Center of Child Development in the Harvard University, they say that the first 5 years of a child are the most crucial years of life. When the child is born, only the brain is only the size of 1/4 of an adult brain. But 1 million neural connections happen in 1 second. Can you imagine that? And within a year, the brain becomes double the size, and by age 3, it is 80% of the size of an adult brain, and by 5 years, the brain is fully grown. So those 5 years are the most pliable years of the children's life. And by trusting Sanskriti and by putting your children here, I think you've taken the best decision of your life, because the kind of cognitive development that happens here, the pre-math skills, the pre-literacy skills that are given over here, make the children absolutely appropriate to move into the main school. Dear parents, Chairman Sir already spoke to you, shared with you a few of his life experiences, wherein we Indian children in Indian homes had a tough bringing up, because of our own ethos and principles and values. But now, with education, a lot of revelation has happened. And therefore, you young parents, I always tell this, parenting is something so difficult, something we do not know, nobody teaches. It's not a program in the school, neither is it taught in college. We just have our children, it's a trial and error method. Maybe this is the right way, or of course this generation has Google to support you to some extent. Yeah, we are all confused and trying. But the best thing is, as Sir said, let them be. Let children be. Just give them a very loving, supportive, safe and secure kickstart. And your child will grow up to be a very confident and an able individual in the future. So I will not speak much on it. I am raring to see the little ones perform on the stage. So all the best to all the preschoolers who are ready for presenting, for showcasing their annual day performance. So very best to everyone once again.
Thank you for your kind words, Mary Ma'am. So now it's time for the moment you all have been waiting for. Our shining stars are there to enthrall all of you with their performances. But before that, I would humbly request all you dear parents that please do not stand up when the kids are performing as it might distract them. Request you to keep your mobile phones on silent mode. We have appointed an official photographer, so kindly sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Also, toddlers will be dispersed after their performance, so you can go outside the green room after 5 minutes. The kids will be handed over from there, and this is only for toddlers. Thank you parents, please enjoy the show.
Lohri is a well-loved Punjabi festival.
दादी दादी पूजा कब खत्म होगी? मुझे प्रसाद खाना है। इतने सारे पॉपकॉर्न, ये सब मेरे लिए?
नहीं नहीं, ये हम सबके लिए है।
हम सब कौन मम्मा? आप, मैं, दादी और पापा।
बेटा, आज शाम को चाचा चाची और आपका भाई कृष्णा भी यूएस से आ रहा है।
ये कृष्णा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आएगा। It will be so much fun. कृष्णा आ गया, कृष्णा आ गया।
नमस्ते माँ, कैसी हो आप?
कितने सालों के बाद तुझे गले लगाया है बेटा। Come on Krish, let's take Daddy's blessings.
Krish, let's give the gifts to Sonali Didi and everyone.
सर मेरा एंगल
Gift for me? ये। सोनाली दीदी, this is for you.
भैया, ये आपके लिए। भाभी, ये आपके लिए। और माँ, ये आपके लिए।
Mom, look what I found. Yummy popcorn. Can I have some? No, Krishna. We will eat it in the evening after Lori Puja. Didi, what is Lori? Let's go to Dadi and ask her. She will tell us. Dadi, what is Lori?
बच्चों, लोहड़ी is a very popular Punjabi festival of North India. आज रात को हम bonfire जलाएंगे, मूंगफली, पॉपकॉर्न और रेवड़ी की आहुति देंगे, फिर प्रसाद खाएंगे। आपको पता है इस फेस्टिवल का मतलब है विंटर सीजन खत्म होने वाला है।
बस इतना ही नहीं, हम ढोल बजाकर सुंदर मुंद्रिये सॉन्ग पर गिद्दा भंगड़ा भी करेंगे।
Oh great, sounds cool, but I don't know Bhangra Sonali Didi. Don't worry, Krish, come, I will teach you. had so much fun last evening. Can we again celebrate Lodi today?
Oh no, Krish. We don't celebrate Lori every day. In India, we celebrate different festivals almost every month. Come here, Krish. I will tell you about the next upcoming festival, that is Shivratri.
Oh, Lord Shiva's birthday. Oh, it means we will cut a cake and sing a birthday song for him.
अरे नहीं बेटा, इसमें तो हम मंदिर जाते हैं और शिवलिंग पर दूध, दही, शहद, फूल और बेल के पत्ते चढ़ाते हैं।
Oh, Lord Shiva likes to drink so much milk. मम्मा, दादी भी तो ओम नमः शिवाय का जाप करती है ना? Say it with me, Krish. ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय.
Shivratri is to remind us that we are Shiva. That is why we say Shivoham Shivoham, which means I am Shiva, I am the principle, I am the truth, eternity, beauty and benevolence. Let's call on stage LKG boys who have prepared a mesmerizing performance for us.
ओम नमः शिवाय. अरे कृष्ण, तुम्हारे हाथों को देखकर लग रहा है कि तुम होली खेल के आए हो। दीदी, व्हाट इज होली?
आओ बेटा, मैं आपको बताता हूँ। होली एक बहुत ही कलरफुल फेस्टिवल होता है। इसमें सब एक दूसरे के ऊपर रंग डालते हैं और गुजिया खाते हैं।
पापा, मैंने आपको पिचकारी से गीला भी तो किया था। कृष्ण, बहुत मजा आता है इस फेस्टिवल में। मैं तो अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को रंग लगाती हूँ। कृष्ण, बताओ कैसे रंग लगाते हैं?
रंगों की ना होती कोई चाल, वो तो लाते हैं बस खुशियों की सौगात। हाथ से हाथ मिलाते चलो, होली है होली, रंग लगाते चलो। तो आइए हमारी नर्सरी ए के क्यूटी पाइस के साथ मिलके होली मनाएं। Can we have a big round of applause for nursery A?
दिनों से तो सब घर पर ही हो। कृष आया है तो उससे भी हमारे खेतों की सैर करा लाओ।
जी बोलिए।
हाँ माँ, नाइस आइडिया। लेट्स गो फॉर अ पिकनिक टुमारो।
हेलो। हाँ जी।
Dad, who are these people? What are they
Hello?
doing?
बेटा, these these are farmers and they have worked really hard to grow their crops. After a few months, they are going to celebrate their ripened crops during the festival of Baisakhi.
Wow, one more interesting festival. What else do they do in this, Dad?
It's a festive time for these farmers. They thank God for their plentiful harvest. हम मेले में जाते हैं, झूले झूलते हैं, अमरा पाते हैं, ढोल बजाते हैं।
मामा, वो बैसाखी वाला सॉन्ग तो लगाओ।
Baisakhi is a time to rejoice the new beginnings, unity among diverse communities, and the blessings of the nature's bounty. Let us welcome on stage our little bundle of joy from Pre-Nursery A.
white butter, like Lord Krishna. इसीलिए तुम्हारा नाम चाची ने कृष्णा रखा है. Who is this Krishna that you're talking about?
Krish, Kunali is talking about Lord Krishna here. उन्हें माखन चोर भी कहा जाता है. His birthday is celebrated as Janmashtami in India.
So, what does Lord Krishna like to do on his birthday? Does he like balloons and cake? Krish, I will tell you how we celebrated Janmashtami in my school. हमने झांकियाँ देखी थी और कान्हा को झूला भी झुलाया था. और पता है क्रिश, मेरी बाप ने एक सॉन्ग भी सिखाया था. चलो साथ में गाते हैं. हाथी घोड़ा पाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की. हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की।
प्रीत की डोर, हरे कृष्णा हरे मुरारी, पूछते जिनको दुनिया सारी। आओ उनके गुण गाए, सब मिलकर जन्माष्टमी मनाए। आओ सब साथ में मिलकर बोले, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। Let us welcome on stage Fantabulous kiddos of Nursery A and Nursery B.
बोलो बेटा, क्या खाना है आपको? अभी बना दूंगी।
मम्मा, वो जो व्हाइट कलर का पोटली जैसा होता है, जो गणेश जी को भी बहुत पसंद है।
ओह, मोदक। चलो रोहिणी, बच्चों के लिए मोदक बनाते हैं।
दीदी, who is this Ganesh? Is he your neighbor? And what is this modak?
आओ बेटा कृष, मैं बताती हूँ। श्री गणेश वो देवता हैं जिनकी पूजा किसी भी काम को शुरू करने से पहले की जाती है, और मोदक गणेश जी को सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है।
Krish, do you know his face is like an elephant? Elephant god. Yummy, yummy modak. Yummy, yummy modak.
That pays homage to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, and celebrates the day of his birth. गणेश जी का रूप निराला है, चेहरा भी कितना भोला भाला है। जिस पे भी आती है कोई मुसीबत, उनको इन्हीं ने संभाला है। Let's welcome on stage our little cutie pies of pre-nursery B.
devoted to goddess power called Shakti. Throughout the 9-day nights of festival, Goddess Durga is worshipped. Each day symbolizes the 9 forms of Durga in different parts of life, power, knowledge, wealth, and so on. They deserve a huge round of applause, audience.
रोहिणी, इस बार हम दुर्गा पूजा देखने गए थे।
हाँ चाची, बहुत बड़ा पंडाल लगाया था उन्होंने। मम्मा, हमें और बताओ उस पंडाल के बारे में।
पता है सोनाली, इस फेस्टिवल को वेस्ट बंगाल के लोग बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। पंडाल में दुर्गा माँ की पूजा होती है और वो पूजा 9 डेज तक चलती है।
मम्मा, हमने वहाँ यम्मी यम्मी खाना भी तो खाया था।
हाँ बेटा, उसको हम भोग कहते हैं।
जय माँ दुर्गा, जय माँ दुर्गा, जय माँ दुर्गा।
Particularly in West Bengal, it marks the victory of Goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasura. The festival signifies the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and the power of divine to protect the world. Let us welcome on stage the adorable girls from class LKG.
Shri
आओ बच्चों, आज मैं तुम्हें श्री राम की कहानी सुनाती हूँ।
हाँ, मॉम ने भी मुझे सुनाई थी। मैं आपको सुनाऊं?
हाँ हाँ, सुनाओ कृष्णा।
Once upon a time, there was a great king by the name of Ram, and there lived an evil king in Lanka whose name was Ravan. Once they had a very big fight, and since Ram was very brave, he killed Ravan.
अरे वाह कृष्णा, तुमने तो बहुत अच्छी कहानी सुनाई। और क्या तुम्हें पता है, उन दोनों की लड़ाई पूरे 9 दिनों तक चली थी और 10वें दिन श्री राम ने रावण को हरा दिया था और श्री राम अपने हाउस अयोध्या वापस लौट आए। उनके आने की खुशी में वहाँ के सब लोगों ने घी के दिए जलाए, रंगोली बनाई और उनका स्वागत किया। इस दिन को हम दिवाली कहते हैं।
हाँ दादी, पिछले साल मम्मी मेरे लिए नया लहंगा लाई थी।
और भूल गई, पापा तुम्हारे लिए पटाखे भी तो लाए थे।
पर दादी, माँ ने हमें पटाखे जलाने से मना किया है।
हाँ बेटा, ये बात तो सही कही। मुझे पटाखों के धुएं से बहुत तकलीफ हुई थी।
और पता है क्रिस, मैंने तो अपने स्कूल में डांस भी किया था। मुझे भी डांस सिखाओ ना दीदी। आओ क्रिस, मैं तुम्हें सिखाती हूँ।
आई दिवाली, आई दिवाली, आई दिवाली रे, दीप जलाओ, खुशी मनाओ, आई दिवाली रे। आई एम श्योर आपने अपने बच्चों को ये सॉन्ग गुनगुनाते हुए जरूर सुना होगा। सो लेट्स सेलिब्रेट दिवाली विद आवर प्री नर्सरी टी चिल्ड्रन।
तेरे हाथों में लगती है, मेरी आंखों में लगती है। हम दिल वालों, हम दिल वालों, हम दिल वालों की दिवाली सोने सी चमकती है, सोने सी दमकती है। तेरे हाथों में लगती है, मेरी आंखों में लगती है। हम दिल वालों, हम दिल वालों, हम दिल वालों की दिवाली सोने सी चमकती है, सोने सी दमकती है।
ओके सोनाली, आपको पता है जैसे दिवाली हमारे लिए बड़ा फेस्टिवल होता है, वैसे ही क्रिसमस क्रिश्चियंस के लिए बड़ा फेस्टिवल होता है। They celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ on 25th December. They decorate the Christmas tree, sing carols and go to church.
Do you know, Didi? My friends Jack and Samantha are Christians. They also go to the church. Santa comes and gives them lots of gifts. I also get gifts from Santa every year. Oh, Santa मुझे भी हमेशा गिफ्ट देता है. I love Santa. Family and friends, Chachi. They love to party too.
And do you know, Sonali? People go for vacations before Christmas and they come back only after celebrating New Year with their families. After all, New Year also calls for a celebration, not just Christmas. So it's New Year time and it's party time.
Christmas. We have been waiting for Christmas and it's almost here. We have been waiting for Christmas. Santa's getting near. Can't you hear the sleigh bells ringing? Reindeer up so high? Can't you hear the children singing as they watch the sky? With the zeal of Christmas, let's call on stage our little adults of pre-nursery suite. Please welcome them with a thunderous round of applause.
Deck the halls with bells of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Don't we have a gay and happy, la 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 la. All the ancient Yuletide carol, la 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 la. See the blazing Eureka rise, la 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 la. Strike the love and join the chorus, la 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 la. Follow me in every measure, la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, la 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 la. Wash away the old year passes, la 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 la. Hail the new year that blesses, la 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 la. Sing with joyous souls together, la 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 la. Heed the song of wind and weather, la 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 la. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
Parents, please give a huge round of applause for them.
They were fantabulous.
दादी, आप रो क्यों रहे हो?
बेटा, आप वापस जा रहे हो ना?
अरे वाह, तुम क्यों रो रही हो? और फिर जल्दी आ जाएंगे।
लग रहा था अब भी तो आए हो और देखो जाने का टाइम भी आ गया।
आजकल तो व्हाट्सएप और वीडियो कॉलिंग का जमाना है, हम तो रोज बात करेंगे माँ। और सच बताओ माँ, इस बार तो बहुत मजा आया। कृष्ण ने भी बहुत कुछ जाना है फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में।
Yes, Daddy, I learned dance also. I miss you all and I love India. Yes, ये गिफ्ट आपके लिए। थैंक यू सोनाली दीदी।
चलो चलो सेल्फी लेते हैं।
Bye. Happy journey. Have a safe flight.
Wow, I believe we were all mesmerized and astounded by the wonderful performance these little ones gave us today. The way they danced and entertained truly captured us in their spell and filled our hearts with joy. I hope you all enjoyed as much as we did. It's time to call Dimple Ma'am on the stage to share our gratitude towards all the people who worked hard to make Jashna come alive in front of our eyes. Dimple Ma'am, can we please have you on the stage?
So I already can feel goosebumps, and needless to say, a very good afternoon to everyone. I feel privileged to stand here and be asked to deliver a vote of thanks on behalf of our school management. I stand here today to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made this event possible. I would like to start by thanking our chief guest, Miss Mary, who has taken time out of her busy schedule to grace this occasion with her presence. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our chairman, sir, who have always guided and supported us. Thank you so much, sir. Special thanks to our parents. Thank you for trusting us with your children. Thank you for your invaluable help with the many tasks around the school. Your presence has added an extra spark to this event and made it even more special. Request you to put your hands together to thank with us the team of teachers who have relentlessly to lead this show, and you all witness how our children have captivated us with their enthralling performance. A big round of applause to our teachers. Very importantly, our health staff who stood by us always and who could not pull this off without their support. To conclude, I would like to state that this event would not have been possible without the strength and tough grind of each and every one of you. On behalf of the management, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you. Parents, before I call upon all the classes, it's a humble request from all of us. If you can spare just 10 minutes of your time, we would be dispersing the children from the stage and we would be calling class-wise. We request you, it's a humble request, nobody to come near the stage. We would be dispersing two classes simultaneously, one from these stairs and another from those. Alright, so please bear with us for another 10 minutes. I'm sure you would be very proud to have our children once again on stage for our tiny show.